Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
List the 11 words that have the sound of SH but are not spelled with SH. Be sure to arrange three words in alphabetical order. Be mindful of spelling and capitalization. Type one word per box. Missionary, biblical, historica, were independent, descriptive, historic, tradition, authority, civilization, commercial, response, biographical, association, personalization, opportunity, achieve, independent, ascend, artificial, commission, atheistic, appreciate, repetition, accomplish. The answer of the question is here are the word acrostic, accomplish, artificial, association, authority, biblical, civilization, commission, dependent, atheistic,